big politicians, people who know the game of how to fight elections. Why do you think people should lend their support to you?
See, coming forward to fight for this election, of course, my objective is to win. Politicians will go for door-to-door campaign once in 5 years. I go for door-to-door campaign every day for the past 18 years.
I was born by the river in a little tent. Oh, just like the river I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gon' come. Oh, yes it will.
I feel that there should be a proper representation for the people. I've been working with the working class, and we have seen that for the past maybe 50 years, none of the legislators have come up to represent, the working class.
A change gon' come.